to end procrastination, actually do something to the end. So this a monthly calendar plan I have to schedule out all the things I want to do in the month, and you could actually do it weekly, daily, pertaining on what you want to do and how detailed you want to do it. Hope you get it. Let's get straight into it. So let's get straight to the board here. So you could see that this is February 2025 calendar actually, and you can start from Saturday and end at Friday, but wherever you start from is good also. Yeah, I will meet this Saturday, right, to review. Yeah, so actually I'm going to review my plans, my life, whatever. Yeah, and from the Sunday to the Saturday that same week, you would actually write what you want to do. Let me say, learn mindset book, right? Mindset, right? Then I put an arrow there to signify it runs through to the end. Yeah, learn a business book, right? So I can actually do the arrow to the end. Hope you get me. So you could write many of the things you want, and actually know that 22nd is an online course I'm doing, videography. So you can put the it's called Video Impact 2025. Yeah, so actually do it video and also the arrow to the end. Let's take it for example. If you want to write 4 things or 5 things here, you must shrink your writing a little bit, occupy the space here. Hope you get me. So the priorities, you could write maybe if you want to learn videography in this month, videography course here, and if you want maybe flyer design, whatever, flyer design, and you can actually write your aims or objectives to reach. Maybe you want your business to reach maybe 1,000 people per outreaching to them mouth to mouth, right? You can actually write. So there's vast probability or possibility of you writing. Just do whatever you want to do. Yeah. And to-dos list, you could actually calls to friends, ETCs. Then you actually put the time there, and maybe you could write anything you want to do. Yeah. And the notes too, you could write, first week I accomplished my tasks. Maybe so the next month I wasn't all that good at it. So it has a whole lot of options you could write out there. Yeah. And if you are struggling with anything, you can actually hit me up, then I'll further explain it to you, or even recommend some videos to you so that you watch it.